Welcome to another episode of Kiwi's Cooking Crew, and today I'm making honey citrus baked chicken. And we're gonna go ahead and get started with our brine. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a bunch of salt to it. It won't over salt it, but it's just gonna help with the moisture. And then we're gonna add some Italian herb seasoning and some orange juice to that. Now, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and just give that a nice stir just to make sure it's all blended into the water. And once you do that, we're going to go ahead and get our veggies as well as our fruit added in. I have some onions, some bay leaves, some lemon, lime, and some oranges. And this is what's going to help give it that orange, not that orange flavor, but give you that citrus flavor there. And then once we do that, we're going to go ahead and get our chicken added in. I did use a whole chicken and just chopped it up, but you can use whatever pieces you do like and whatever pieces you prefer. And now that we have our chicken in, what we want to do is go ahead and add some buttermilk to that. I normally add it before, however, I just completely forgot about it. So I added that in and I just went ahead and just mixed it all together. And we're going to let this sit and brine for 48 hours in the refrigerator. Now that we have our brine complete, I did take a baking dish and I added in some butter on the sides, and I'm going to just place my chicken in there. And you don't want to overcrowd the pan when you're placing it in there. And then after we do that, we're going to go ahead with the seasoning of the chicken. I did just use just salt and pepper. And we're going to do the same thing to both sides. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little paprika on top of it, and that's just for coloring. And then we're going to add our fruit and onions in. You can place those how you want to, place them cute, place them however, it doesn't matter as long as they're in there. And after that, we're going to just sprinkle a little parsley on top. That's just for that nice little flavor that the parsley gives when baking. And so next we're going to move over to our honey mixture. I have some melted butter here, added some orange juice to that, and then I added some honey. And now we're just going to sprinkle for a little kick some cayenne pepper as well as some lemon pepper. And then we're just going to give this a nice little whisk around. Okay, now we have our chicken, and we're just going to pour a little chicken broth at the bottom, just give it a little liquid. And then we're going to take that mixture that I made, we're going to just pour that all over the chicken. And of course, some of your seasonings will fall off there. You're just going to take a little paprika and just sprinkle it on top just so you can have that nice coloring there. And next, then we're going to just get that covered up, and we're going to put that in the oven for an hour and 20 minutes at 400. And voila, there you go. So if you like this, like, share, comment, tell all of your friends. Until next time, bye.